Hi folks, James DeGraff here. Today we're going to take a look at the Zelph Super Stove. The Zelph Super Stove is made of one recycled aluminum can. It's a thicker gauge aluminum made from the stadium beer bottles that Budweiser produced. Taking a look at the top of it, you can see actually right through it. This is as an added bonus that there's less surface to make contact with the ground and thus is less affected by setting it on cold things. So there's no need for a vapor barrier with a stove like this. The other noteworthy thing here is that it's filled with a wicking material. Now I've seen carbon felt and this doesn't look quite like carbon felt. It looks like another wicking material and it can withstand the fire produced by an alcohol flame. I'm going to fill it up here for you, light it, boil 2 cups of water, time it, and let you come to your own conclusions about what you think about the Zelph Super Stove. With just a little bit less than 1 ounce of fuel here, and using the UPC code on the side here as an indicator, I'm going to begin gently pouring the alcohol into the stove. The directions that came with this stove said that this is the spot to fill the alcohol into. 2 cups of cold tap water. I'm using a Snow Peak 700 with a lid from Mini Bowl Designs. Get the timer started here and we'll see how long this takes. You can see the flame pattern here of the stove. It's not exactly a side burning stove and it's not exactly a top burning stove by any means. It does support the pot directly on it, so there's no need for a pot stand, which is nice. But I also wouldn't use a pot that's any smaller than this. A Heine pot or a Foster's pot, for example. Too much of the flame is lost out to the side. Just about 6 minutes here. And we have ourselves a rolling boil. Let's see how long the stove burns, having filled it up completely. Alright, the stove just went out. Just about 10 minutes there. So, gives you an idea of the burn time. Boils in about 6, burns out in about 10. Standard alcohol stove performance, from what I can tell. Hi Becky.
Hi Becky.
So when you go to fill up the stove, don't try and pour it in the middle. In spite of it having wicking material, I highly advise against tipping your stove over. You can turn... No, you can't. That's a big fat lie. You can't turn it over. It will spill. This is a new ceramic pot. It's heavy. It's fragile.
It doesn't burn well.
It heats up terribly. Rolling. Woo! Pick one up for yourself if you like. Or not. I have one already. Actually, I have 2.